I'm starting the painting process on this project bike, and I'm getting everything prepped, ready for paint. When I picked the bike up, it was already primered, but there were some condition issues with the primer on the tank, and I had to do some body filler repairs. There was like a chip or a scratch right along here, and it was rusting under there, so I sanded it all down to metal and put some body filler in there where I needed it, and I'm going to reprime it and put a guide coat on and see if I can take out any of the finer blemishes before I get to putting my final primer and then base coat on there. My side cover, one of the side covers has an issue that I'm going to try and fill right now. So if you can see right here, I think it got hot under this cover and it melted a little bit, so I am going to try and get it flat across this surface and this surface with this body line in there. So that's the goal. Paint for the project bike is finished. I painted it this green color, and now I'm prepping for wet sanding. So there's some little imperfections in there. You can see some texture in the clear coat. It's hard to tell with this camera, but there are some imperfections like that, and when I wet sand it, I should get all of that smooth. So this is what it looks like after I've sanded it, and it's just about ready for buffing it with some compound and then cleaning it up with a wax. But we have compound for the first application and polish after that to get it shining. This was a rattle can job. I got some Sherman-Williams Automotive Dragon Green Pearl, and there was three coats of the green and 4 coats of a 2K clear. So I am getting ready everything for polishing. This is going to have to get some more wet sanding because this should really all be dull. There shouldn't be really anything shiny. But the paint itself came out pretty good for out of a spray can. So this is what I'm working on right now, side covers.